Crew, what's good? It's your boy Ground Pound Bitcoin, Salt Lake gig grinder, pounding every shift into sats, chasing that one Bitcoin dream with you, just on gig. Bitcoin's hovering around 74 right now, another juicy dip after yesterday's 76K bloodbath. You love that 100-pound buy? Views popping, comments fire, stacks right here. You already know if you've seen the last one. And that 0.56 Bitcoin is climbing fast. Today, my secret sauce, River, 8 to 10 times every damn day. Zero fees, pure grind. This is for you. Let's build together. Guys, real talk. These 70K levels, straight gifts in 2026. Post-halving cycle just heating up. ETFs sucking in billions. Adoption is exploding worldwide. Weak hands dump on dips. If you're new, if you know what Bitcoin's about, you ain't dumping nothing. But we pound. That's why I'm on River consistently. Gig payouts hit all day. Tip surges, DoorDash drops. Instead of dollar rotting, I flip them to sats. 8 to 10 times easy daily. You guys in the comments grinding gigs too? Let me know. Drop your comment. This is our play, guys. DCA like a boss while others panic. Not financial advice, just my journey. 74K Bitcoin, cheaper sats for the win. Here's the simple truth. My whole stack runs on River. Buy and out to the cold storage. Bitcoin only app built for grinders like us. Why River? Every day, zero fees on buys, recurring on time, clean interface, instant execution, super easy to use. Gig apps pay out, Uber, DoorDash, or whatever you guys are doing. Straight to bank, then River eats it up for me. Set recurring, autopilot magic. No other apps needed. The daily pound. River handles 99% of my stacks. My hardware wallet, Trezor for instance, say QX, it doesn't matter. Arculus, it doesn't matter. Pure, efficient gig life proof. Watch this, guys. My exact flow happens 8 to times daily. Step 1, gig cash flows, shift ends, tip hits, payout instant or quick to bank. It doesn't matter. Load River, ACH free, keep it funded, or recurring direct. Step 3, pound the buy, open River, Bitcoin tab, enter amount, $10 tip, buy, $50 serve. Zero fees, boom, sats in wallet instantly. Do this all day after every good fare. At 74K today, every small buy grabs more sats than last week. Here's step 4, secure the bag. Batch withdrawals to Trezor weekly, or say QX, whatever cold storage you have. Low fees, ironclad safety, no sleeping on apps. Not your keys, not your coins. Always remember that. Result, fees basically zero across 10 buys. 100 daily grind, all sats, no bleed. Quick wins for you. Set River recurring. Link in the description. Stack while you drive. Small, frequent, big weights. 74K dips compound fast. And I promise you, hardware wallet ASAP. Protect the empire. Not financial guys. Remember that. Track buys. Simple spreadsheet or app. Crew, you're the energy. Comments. I'm stacking too. Fire me up. Who's hitting River today at these levels? That's the ground pound Bitcoin way. This is my journey. River 8 to 10 times daily for me. Gigs into one Bitcoin just off of gig work and a little bit out of my coke job. You with me, legends? Smash that button. You're pounding today. Comment your River buys or your daily stack count. Let's shout out top grinders next video. And I'm giving away for the Bitcoin conference a ticket. So leave that comment in the comment section, guys. Subscribe now. Long form, Wednesday and Fridays, shorts hitting daily. We're building this empire together. One sat, one dip at a time. Thanks for the love, crew. Keep pounding. See you tomorrow. Let's get it.